Welcome to Neubids. Discover our CTV ads feature. Ads seamlessly delivered across multiple channels. Getting started is simple. Log into the Neubids Portal to access the Omni-Suite. Navigate to the Campaigns tab on the left side menu. Here you will click Add New Campaign. To get started, enter in your campaign name. Then select your advertiser as defined in the Settings Advertiser section on the home page. Choose a campaign type. Then create a schedule so that you can control the window of visibility. Select your budget and spending preferences. When you are ready, click Save and go to Ad Sets. Now to configure your ad set info. Here you can configure which part of your daily budget is spent for this particular ad. Now, select CTV from the Environment Type section. Configure the Smart Bidding preference. Either let the system decide or set a CPM bid manually. Now to set the target country for our campaign. Under Geographic, in the Location Targeting section, enter your specified country. You can further pinpoint via the city and region targeting fields if necessary. Configure the web placement targeting, audience targeting, and contextual targeting. Select a genre. In this case, let's enter cooking. Then click on CTV channels in the header and make a selection from a myriad of channels to host your CTV creative. Let's select Samsung, LG, and Bloomberg as our target platforms. Next, see if any deals apply to your campaign. Now to add a creative to be shown in your new campaign. You can upload your own creative, select one from your ad library, or generate your creative. Let's generate one on the fly via the Neubids Creative Studio. Click on Generate with AI. Here, in the Video Ad Studio, enter your project information. Give your project a name. Next, configure your content source. You can collect visuals and information from any website URL or any business place via Google Maps. Let's select the Google Maps option. Search for a business from the search box below. Let's go with the Burger Room Amsterdam. When that's done, click Continue. Sit back as the automated system puts everything together. In about 40 seconds, you should see your new video.
Discover the ultimate burger experience at the Burger Room in the heart of Amsterdam. Savor our mouth-watering patties, crafted with the finest ingredients and cooked to perfection. Indulge in a vibrant atmosphere where you can unwind and enjoy exceptional service. Visit us today and elevate your taste buds to new heights. Book your table now and let the burger magic begin.
Use the editor to make any changes you need, or if you are ready, save and generate video by clicking on the upper right button. After a short wait, your new video has been added to your campaign. Now, when you are ready, click Save and go to Review. In just a bit, you will see an overview of your campaign. Review and hit the Start Campaign button when you are ready. In the ad library, you can track the verification state of your campaign. Once it is verified, your new campaign is up and running.
Discover the ultimate burger experience at the Burger Room in the heart of Amsterdam.
Everything you need, seamlessly integrated into one platform. Get creative with Neubids today.